I'm Austin Bartow. I own a shop in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Own Supreme Refinish. We specialize in collision repair, custom paint, and stuff like that. Started in a body shop when I was young. My dad taught me most everything I knew. It all started when I was racing motocross when I was a young kid. Everybody had a custom painted helmet but me, pretty much. So I think when I was 6 or 7, I spray painted a helmet, and it was pretty cool. Didn't last very long because obviously it was spray paint, but I got some experience in a body shop. I was lead painter a couple places. I've been painting for 10 years roughly, so I got pretty good at painting. Now I'm kind of over painting cars, so I want to start painting helmets and other small custom stuff like that. When I was little, I've always wanted to be a helmet painter, I guess you could say. It's always cool to see like pros, and like it'd be super cool to see like an F1 driver with my helmet. That's always been kind of a dream of mine, so that's kind of what I'm striving for now. I guess I kind of strive for perfection, I guess. I always want to try something new. So I have a tendency of not taking a lunch, I guess. I will work on a helmet or work on a project until I figure out what I am doing, or there's not really a perfect stopping point for me. I'll work 6-7 hours straight and not eat or drink anything really, because I'm so focused on getting it done. Could be a good thing or a bad thing, I guess. I just don't stop until it's done, I guess you could say. If I can't find out a good design or come up with a good design, I will just keep doing it and redoing it and redoing it until I come up with something cool or something that everybody likes. I won't just settle for something that's mediocre. I'll retape things over and over and over again just to make sure that line's perfectly straight or perfectly round. And then the second time around, I'll make sure it's clean or, you know, touch up some stuff. But I'm really particular about my lines. I want them to be perfect. Usually the first design or whatever I do, usually I hate it, but I don't stop because I know either the second or the third time it's gonna be super cool. So usually I can expect the first time it's gonna suck. I'm really obsessed with like maybe trying to like have the cleanest lines or having the best color combos. The way I do some of my design work is I use a plotter, come up with some designs from, you know, the internet or other guys that I look up to. Like Troy Lee Designs has always been a guy I've looked up to. He's done all of Jeremy McGrath's helmets. putting it together after it's all done is probably my favorite part, and taking pictures of it after, because it'll never look that nice ever again. But taking like a plain white or black helmet and making it look all crazy and stuff like that after 20-30 different layers has always been cool to me, and it's always a challenge to figure out where I got to start to make it look like that. I want to make the helmet look like you bought it from the manufacturer that way. Doing all the layers and stuff like that's really cool to me. I want to grow this into something bigger. I don't want to be painting 1 or 2 helmets a month. I want to be painting 2 or 3 a week at least.